Here's a tip. When you're drawing anything, any type of lines on the computer, make sure that you're drawing them in a specific place for a specific reason. Many times it's okay to make up the reason that you're drawing it, but don't just randomly draw it. So we have a crosswalk here at the intersection, and you can kind of see that they're all a little bit crooked, and these two are further away from the intersection, these two are closer to the intersection. There's just no consistency. We could choose many different methods. Let's say we went from the end of this radius and then offset 10 feet for the crosswalk, and then we did a 4-foot crosswalk, and we did that same technique on all of them. We're just making up the place to draw it from, which is the end of the radius. But if we make up that reason and have a specific reason for doing it, they're all going to be consistent. In this scenario, however, we are going to want to do, instead of choosing there, I'm going to recommend that we go from the center of this radius, because we'd rather only pay for one ramp at each intersection instead of having two ramps. So if we do that, I'm going to draw from the midpoint of this arc to the midpoint of that arc to the midpoint of that arc and the midpoint of that arc, and then C to close. And now we have a nice even box. And then we can offset 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, and then we can put the ramp here. Now the center of the ramp, we could either draw a line from here to there and then draw a line from the midpoint of this, or we could just draw a line from here to the perpendicular of that arc. And if we want this thing to be 2 feet wide, we can offset by 2.5. And then that would be the center of your ramp right there. So always make sure that you have a specific reason. If you feel like you're just drawing a line in the screen or on the model space randomly, like it just looks like it might be good there, stop yourself and say, I want to draw it in a specific place. Let me make up a reason. Let me pick some geometrical object to align with or to draw from and use that as your basis. Thanks.